There is a lot of concern about civil unrest, crime, and general lawlessness in the United States and across the world. In the last few years, we've seen mass rioting and looting, and it's more important now than ever to start thinking about and taking steps to secure your home to help make sure that you and your loved ones are safe. If you're looking for an easy way to add an extra level of protection to the doors in your home, a barricade system is a great option to consider. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at installing and testing the Sihnman door barricade bracket system, which is a simple and effective way of reinforcing the doors in your home, garage, shed, barn, or place of work, or you can use this system to barricade a door inside of your home to turn it into a safe room. Before we dive in, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you like gear reviews and prepping videos, please consider subscribing to the Urban Survivor channel, and also make sure to jump into the comment section and join the discussion because a lot of people give excellent feedback on the products that I review, and there's a lot of great information there as well. This is the Sihnman door barricade bracket system. This kit comes with 2 brackets and 6 screws, and you'll just need to supply your own 2x4 to complete the setup. These U-shaped brackets are patented and extremely well designed and engineered, and made from extra thick 3.5mm high strength steel and powder coated, which provides a long-lasting rust-proof finish perfect for indoor and outdoor use. These brackets are much thicker and stronger than a lot of similar brackets on the market, and they also have large tooling holes which make it easier for you to install the brackets with your power tools. Installing the door barricade brackets is really easy, and it can be done in just a few minutes. All you need to do is find the studs to securely mount the brackets around your door frame, screw the brackets in with your screw gun and the included screws, slide in a 2x4, and your door is now reinforced and significantly harder to break down. I installed these brackets on the door to my garage, which is one of the weaker areas in my home security setup, and now I'm going to do a kick test to see how well the system holds up. Today I've got on my steel toe work boots, which are really durable and heavy, which should give me the best chance of making a dent in this door. The brackets and the 2x4 held up well to the test, and the door was not damaged either. The door frame is still intact, and the locking mechanism works just fine. If you're in the market for an easy and effective way to step up your home security and make certain entry points much more difficult to access, these door brackets from Sihnman are a really great option to consider. The nice thing about this setup is it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can leave the brackets installed with a 2x4 so you always have a stronger door. You can leave the 2x4 close by so you can reinforce the door as needed. Or you can keep the brackets in storage and screw them in if you're worried about a particular event or a security threat in your neighborhood. If you want to learn more about or pick up the Sihnman door barricade system, you can find a link in the description below, which will also help support the channel. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.